Day 13, we've just fit this laminate flooring. What I'm going to do now is shoot off and get the skirting boards. John's give the ceiling 2 coats so all the lights can go back up there. They're fire rated downlighters on an LED, they're dimmable. Alan's just about to put the dimmer switches on. Like I said, we had it all certified and tested. What's left to do now? They're just finishing cedar on outside. We'll get it all skirted board in here, do the architraves, do a little window board over there, I'll show you that detail. And then we'll crack on with decking and border for gravel, and then we're done. Okay, day 13, I've got to shoot off now, but we're practically finished internally. It's had 1 coat of this colour, which John's been putting on. It's 2 coats on the ceiling, well, I think he's 3 coated that now. All the lights have been put back in. We've fit this laminate flooring. It's just getting the skirting boards, the window board, the MDF reveals, and the architraves around there. So they'll be more or less done, apart from painting on here, finished tomorrow. And then we'll jump outside tomorrow and start on this decking and do the decorative aggregates around the edge and all. So if you'd like to like, subscribe and follow, that'd be fantastic. Sorry it's so a bit short today, but tomorrow we'll have a better video and some decking as well. Thank you.